how to reset your Hilton Honors password from the sign in page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your password if you have forgotten it. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then you need to go to Hilton Honors login. It will take you to the sign in page. Now, if you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Your Info and it will load up a new page like this. And here you'll need to enter your username or your Hilton Honors number and your preferred email address that is on the Hilton Honors records. And Hilton Honors will send you information on how to reset your password on your email. So it's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.